Hey there, folks. Thanks for tuning in again to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic product that's perfect for keeping your home clean and fresh, the 4-pack refill cartridge kit for ZEVO Plug-in Lite M364 and Max. Now, these cartridges are super convenient because they're designed to work seamlessly with the ZEVO Plug-in Lite M364 and Max. They're easy to use and deliver a long-lasting fragrance that will make your home smell amazing. Plus, with a 100% fit guarantee, you can use them without worrying about compatibility issues. And here's something that's really impressive. Over 1,000 people bought this kit in the past month. That speaks volumes about its quality and effectiveness. So if you're looking for a new way to keep your home smelling great, this kit is definitely worth considering. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great product recommendations and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.